family, welcome to NewtonGATE. This is Payal and this is Sanchita with us. Today we have got a very important news to share with you all.
That's right, the NewtonGATE has faced a cyber attack recently, and not only that, this has happened to our channel first time, and our 36 very important videos have been deleted.
Those videos were not just ordinary content. Those were the result of countless hours of hard work, dedication and passion from our entire team. Those videos were a part of our mission to empower and educate. My God, what is going to be our next step now?
Don't worry, we have already informed the proper authorities and we are closely working with our YouTube to recover our videos.
And also we are trying to track the IP address of the attacker. And guess what? We have already got to know that the attacker has logged on to an Android tablet and deleted our 36 videos. Very soon we are going to find out the attacker.
Watch out, this can also happen to your channel also. So take preventive measures.
We have already been able to restore our 27 videos after coordinating with Google team and our security experts. We have set up a guideline to prevent any further cyber attack on our channel.
Do you want to learn that how to restore your deleted videos and secure or prevent your channel from cyber attack? So stay tuned with us and learn the step-by-step process how to restore your deleted videos and prevent your YouTube channel from cyber attack.
Until then, stay safe, stay secure and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out.